Eastern Crawford County in south central Indiana, East Central Perry County in south central Indiana, Meade County in central Kentucky, northeastern Breckinridge County in central Kentucky until 3 p.m. or 2 p.m. At 2:20 p.m. or 1:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles southwest of English to 8 miles east of Hardinsburg, moving northeast at 80 miles per hour.
Damn.
Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Brandenburg around 2:35 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Cordon. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. for the following counties: Perry, Indiana.
Doubleheader?
A severe thunderstorm counties. At 2:22 p.m. or 1:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles northeast of Tell City to Litchfield, moving northeast at 80 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Hardinsburg, Webster, Irvington, Leopold, Dyer, Three Mile, Southeast Reed, Gerald, Buras, and Rome. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 1:30 p.m. for the following counties: Perry, Indiana. Minor flooding. Climb smart with interactive tools. It's